It's a case of give with one hand, take with the other when it comes to Sydney's schools. They're getting more freedom than ever to decide their own policies, but Treasury is launching a raid to take control of their cash that could cost some of our most popular schools dearly.
Good. Excellent. Good try.
This Year 2 class at Granville Public is an example of the good that can happen when principals are given more power under local schools' local decisions. Here, a recently graduated teacher is given guidance from a more senior colleague.
We've had the flexibility to be able to change our staffing around slightly to create that additional assistant principal position.
No wonder the Education Minister, Adrian Piccoli, highlighted its successes and timetable flexibility at Beverley Girls High.
The real beauty of it is every school is different, every school has a different solution. Granville, they've invested heavily in quality teaching and mentoring. Other schools, they've engaged additional kindergarten classroom teachers.
When it comes to school bank accounts, it certainly isn't local schools' local decisions. By the end of the year, all schools will have to hand over control of their bank accounts when it comes to interest earned from government funding. So that means schools like this one will lose tens of thousands of dollars in interest, and it'll all be kept by the Treasury. To give you an idea, Sydney Girls High School has $4.4 million in their account. Chifley College, Mount Druitt Campus, just over $4 million. And Fairfield High, $1.45 million. That's a lot of potential interest.
This is an accountant's dream and it's an educator's worst nightmare. This money is targeted for school projects, it's targeted for school programs and equipment upgrades. It will mean that money is going to have to be found somewhere else.
In addition to the loss of interest, schools will have to wait for approval from head office for any large-scale spending.
We know that Treasury have their eye on that large sum of money that goes out to schools twice a year, and that they will be able to keep that within their coffers.
At least until an application to use the money in a school is approved. Kevin Wild, 9 News.